Time is a harsh mistress. Your skin gets thinner, your hair goes away, lots of things happen, including your connective tissue actually decreases. You could make a strong case that using natural connective tissue supplementation is going to be a better way to go than using a substance that's made synthetically. If you can put a natural tissue supplement in there to take up some of that space and restore some of that facial volume that people have lost, I think the healthier alternative is going to be this naturally sourced tissue complex as opposed to a complete synthetic gel. I'm actually personally more excited about this. The use is rejuvenation in the face and have perhaps long-term improvement in facial volume and to some extent wrinkles and lines, but especially facial volume. It's underappreciated, but an aging face, everyone sees the skin get a little splats and droopy, but people lose facial volume. Potential advantage of a product like this from Regenerative Labs is this could last for a long time and give you a more natural look because it's actually giving your body a chance to maybe incorporate some of that connective tissue in a natural way. It's often said that if you want to try to tell the age of a patient, that there's two areas to look: the neck and the hands. They lose the tissue immediately under the skin and the veins start poking out because there's just no connective tissue left there. This would be an opportunity to actually put real connective tissue matrix in there, the real deal, instead of simulating it. As a 55-year-old person, if you had to choose between a facelift or like a total volume rejuvenation, the volume rejuvenation is probably better. The volume is hugely important because that loss of volume is what makes people look tired and hollow and things like that. And replacing the volume is huge.